What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and I'm here with Bryce.
What's up guys?
Snapping a little pic of the Model 3. And today we're going to be talking about mods that are insanely affordable for your Tesla Model 3 Performance or a Model 3 long range, whichever Model 3 you have. So first we're going to take a look at the exterior mods that are under $50. All the links to all of these products that we'll be mentioning and all these mods are going to be in the description below, so go ahead and check it out once this video is done. So our first mod of the day is going to be this 3-piece carbon fiber lip right here, and we actually have a separate video where we did the install. Once you guys buy this lip, go ahead and check out the installation video in the card above or link in the description below. As you guys can see, it's really nice. It does give it a more aggressive stance. Some downforce characteristics here with the little winglets on the side here.
A front lip always gets damaged, so you know, it's like a replacement. If I break it, instead of 50 bucks, I just put it on. It's not like I'm paying $1,000 per lip.
This works because yeah, it's not the best quality and material, but again, like you said, you're going to be driving this a lot. This is your daily driver car, so rock chips, scrapes, all of these things damages, so you don't want to be spending $800 per lip. The second thing is right above it, and it's these carbon fiber finish winglets. Again, gives it some of that downforce characteristic, 0.2% of downforce. Just give it, again, an aggressive look, and the carbon fiber matches with the splitter on the bottom, so that looks really nice as well. These mods for combined $100 changes the look of the car completely. Yeah, you're getting a lot more of, I guess, feedback, and people are just stopping you on the street and just being like, yo, where'd you get that?
Yeah, especially at the supercharger, they're all like, wow, where did you get this? How much you pay for it? 50 bucks? What?
So those are the two mods in the front of the car. The other mods are actually going to be found in the interior of the car. Take a wild guess. Pause the video. So the third thing on our list is going to be this carbon fiber finished trim here, and it is in dry carbon fiber. It's not like the glossy one like the outside, but nonetheless it's still very nice. It doesn't distract you, you know, the sun doesn't glare on it, but it does look really good. And again, this was about $47, and again, link in the description below. And now combining with this, the fourth thing is going to be this entire carbon fiber finished center console. And as you can see, it's not a wrap, it's actually like an insert piece, which looks really nice. And again, it's not like the wrap that over time with the sun it'll start peeling and bubbling up, so I think you definitely have to get this over any sort of wrap. In terms of efficient installation, definitely get the insert piece, and this does extend all the way to the center console here. Changes the entire look of the car completely. I mean, it really does give it like that sports car orientation. So the fifth one is going to be this light strip here, and of course the Govi car lights that I've actually made a tutorial on how to install them, how to use the app. It's super easy to install and super easy to use, very user friendly. Go ahead and check it in the card below, above, or in the link in the description below. But
I think this is like the best mod for this car.
Really?
I think like I was so happy when I put it on, because like you see like the whole setup.
Damn, this right here looks like Tron. This is awesome.
And you can change the colors too, like
the Govi lights are up front, like in the passenger footwell and the driver footwell, and also in the back seats as well. So this can actually be a pretty lit Uber. So check it out. So the strips right here also have an app. What is the app name?
It's called LED. It came with the dash light too, but it was so hard to put on that I gave up. And I was like, I'm not gonna use it anyway.
I think it's best to leave it at here, because if you have that light plus the Govi lights that's already pretty bright, I feel like it would just be too much.
Yeah.
But that's really cool. Yeah. It kind of reminds me of like an airport, yeah, or kind of like a movie theater. And now we're gonna test out the Govi app so you guys can see how this changes color. You could change the color, put the frequency, synchronize it to the music. It's a really interesting product, and again, all of these interior ambient lighting mods are all under 50 bucks, so definitely something to consider. Even if you're not too big on the sport look like we saw with the lip and the winglets, you definitely have something to definitely give this more of a festivity type of car. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and this is actually going to be my 7th mod. I forgot to mention this earlier. But the 7th mod on the list of things that you can buy for your Model 3 that's under 50 bucks is actually gonna be found. Bryce, show us.
Look at that style. Walk-in style.
So look at this. You just had a busy day at the office. It's nighttime because you're a hard worker. Boom. Ambient lighting. Yeah, ambient lighting waiting for you. And then, what are you driving? Oh, I drive a Tesla, sir. This one was about $20. So this entire ambient lighting kit, like this strip here, the one that also brings this piece here, is about $45. The Govi car lights are, I believe they were about 20 bucks.
Yeah.
24. Again, you guys can check out the pricing in the links in the description below. All of these mods are under $50 and they drastically change the look of the car, the experience. So how happy are you with your mods?
I love them. And I'm sure there's more to do, but I just have to look for them. And
we'll actually make an update video in case he does add anything else in the future. But I'm actually extremely happy for you, dude, because I'm more of a performance type of, you know, exterior type of guy. So this was what really resonated with me. But then when he showed me all of the interior functions and all of the lights and all of that stuff, that was like, damn, I gotta do something similar to the Camaro.
But it's really like that, like, highly modifiable. Like there's a lot of stuff you can do to your Tesla.
I always used to think about, like, when you buy a car like this, it's like, dude, how is like the market for aftermarket products on these cars? And I'm surprised.
It's not so much on the Model S and X. Maybe
but for the 3.
Go for the 3 and the Y is immense.
I'm imagining this is a cheaper car.
It's a cheaper car,
so there's probably gonna be a lot more supply. All right, guys, so those are 7 very affordable, cheap mods that you can add for your Tesla Model 3, whether it's the performance, the regular, or the long distance, or the long range. If you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and like this video for the algorithm. Any Tesla Model 3 owner, anybody considering buying a Tesla, should definitely see this video just to have a reference as to how many awesome modifications there are at such an affordable price. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. The goal for this year is 5,000. We're already at 3,000, so I think we might crush it. We might crush it this year. So look, guys, let me know in the comment section below which was one of your favorite mods. What have you done to your Tesla, or what would you do to your Tesla? Actually, give him some ideas. Yeah. What should he do next on his car? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.